Testing 1, 2. All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Mason Balloon, and this is RXR. Essentially, on the MetaQuest 3, we're able to create an XR program with a little rover that we can drive around using the XR space that we have. Basically, how this works is we attach a car controller module on top of a physical car object, and we're able to drive it around this space using a very specific velocity and acceleration that I have set up for. That's just like perfect for drifting. Let me show you. But anyways, we can interact with the real objects in this world. It's a little rough sometimes, especially since we're in an outside environment. These Quest headsets aren't really designed for outside. But yeah, you see I can like collide with the car a little bit. And yeah, we have an outside wall to prevent the car from falling out. And yeah, let me show you the controls. So we have the X button to spawn in coins that we can collect. And when you collect them, they have an effect that pops up. This is done really simply. In Unity, we just spawn a grid and we randomize values for each coin, like, hey, should I spawn or not? And then that's how we get the nice pattern going on. We can also spawn in the car pressing Y. You'll do a slow fall until you hit the thumbstick, and then it'll drop to the floor. Pretty cool, right? Oh, let me drive along the side of this car. Hold up. I am touching grass. Anyways, so yeah, this is essentially the whole program. We also have the trigger that can delete coins. So we go bam. We can also hit the thumbstick down button for my favorite feature, which is this. You might recognize this song. Anyways, this is basically the program. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, everything was implemented by me. Unfortunately, my project partner couldn't get all of his hardware features implemented. We have another demo we can show. Madison, am I right? Anyways, my project partner has some other hardware stuff that unfortunately couldn't get implemented in time. You can see in our other demo that we have a real life rover that we're able to control, but I was able to compensate with this virtual rover, and I think the project turned out pretty cool. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna take this headset off and stop embarrassing myself. Thanks for watching. Jeez. Side note, this program actually works really well indoors with objects, so you can like go on tables and stuff. So we can just like drop the car down here, maybe spawn a few coins, spawn on top, and collect them. Woo! It didn't detect the couch for some reason. But yeah, I got the hallway and everything right, so we can drive it through here. A little fast for this tight area, I will say. But yeah. All right, now I'm going to describe like how well we met our project expectations and whatnot. So as you can see in this video, this is what our project originally looked like. We had this all created before we really even started that doc of the new project. And essentially with this, we had a real-life physical rover that we controlled using HTTP signals, which, the rover had its own like Wi-Fi setup, which we could send to and control it. This is done actually on the Galaxy XR headset using like virtual joysticks. And yeah, it was really fun, honestly. It's just unfortunate because the rover that we used for this was deconstructed by some unknown entity or person, who knows. And we had a lot of troubles just fixing things, and ultimately in the end, like we probably spent 6 weeks of troubleshooting how to fix it, never really resolving how to get the physical stuff back. But we were able to pivot into the virtual stuff instead. And that's what you saw with the previous demo. So yeah, that was probably the largest hurdle, having the project, the physical part completely reset. Another hurdle was the version control. Especially with Unity, it's a little complex, especially with GitHub and Unity version control at the same time. Like, they do conflict, and even different Unity versions is some aspect of the project that was hard to overcome. But yeah, this is the project. I think we did pretty well given what has happened, the circumstances. And I'm overall really proud of what I was able to accomplish within the amount of time given. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this. And I think this is the final goodbye. So, adios.